Welcome to Boral News. High Court Chief Justice Justice Koteswar Singh inaugurated additional court building for Dima Hasao. The new additional court building, Dima Hasao District Judiciary, was inaugurated by the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, Justice N. Koteswar Singh, in presence of Guwahati High Court Justice in Charge, Administrative Department, Justice Manas Ranjan Pathak, Portfolio Judge of Dima Hasao Judicial Court, Justice Manish Chaudhary, and other dignitaries of the district. The new additional court building was placed by handing over of the building of additional circuit house by the district administration to the judicial department. The renovation of the building was done at approximate budget of Rs 1 crore with 3 courtrooms and starting of the session will help equal opportunity in the sense of improving access to independent and expeditious justice delivery to those in this district, said the Chief Justice Singh. He further added that unlike the other regular inaugurations, starting of the additional court building in Haflong is a milestone for the district under 6th Scheduled Land where there is an elaborate constitutional right. Referring to the village court or council court, Justice Koteswar said that the basic idea is to secure all citizens of the country socially, politically and legally so that justice prevails, as it is a fundamental right of an individual. Justice Manas Ranjan Pathak, while addressing, spoke on how in the district judiciary was separated from executive as per order from the Supreme Court of India in 2007, and its the process resulted in establishment of the district session court at Jatinga near Haflong in the year 2017. Justice Manish Ranjan Chaudhary, who also spoke on the occasion, said that it will be helpful in fast disposal of the pending cases, mentioning that around 17,000 number of cases are still pending as on 38 October last with 6 courtrooms at present judicial court in Jatinga.
Efficiency and speed of the adjudication, disposal of cases and speedy delivery of the justice. As I conclude in my short speech, due to constraint of time, I must emphasize my optimism that the new building being made today will go a long way in providing speedy justice of our citizens and those who come to the court for a fair process and fair judgment. I wish additional court building Dima Hasao District Judiciary at Haflong the very best for the future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
3 more magistrates are coming. There is a requirement for additional space, which I think with this, it was originally a dark bungalow. Now it is converted into an additional building, additional courtroom. So they will be, adjusted in this, and they can operate from this temporary accommodation. It will go a long way in giving justice to the people of Dima Hasao. Now coming to the other point is that Haflong actually, sir, is a beautiful hill station and only one in Assam. It is at an elevation of 966 meters and the station has many tourist attractions and fantastic viewpoints, natural streams and waterfalls close by. Sir, we have moderate to harsh winters out here. We have the famous Jatinga village, which is very close to the Haflong town.
Arrived to the situation that it has a duty to see that the dispute resolution forums are provided with adequate infrastructure. Indicating the matters, it is the judge on whose shoulders rests the obligation of safeguarding the rights of the citizen and protecting them against any unlawful act. If the duty of the courts have to be respected and maintained at all stages and by all concerned, failing which the very constitutional scheme and public faith in the judiciary runs the risk of being lost. The courtroom is the focal point of courthouse activity that provides an impartial setting for conducting the legal proceedings where different types of hearings and trials are held. Appointment of adequate numbers of judges and setting up a corresponding number of courts with adequate infrastructure is a very important aspect so as to make justice accessible to the people. Without a courtroom and judges' chamber, the judges would be unable to function as judges. The High Court emphasizes the need for having a proper court building and accommodation of the judicial officers. In public interest, the issue of providing suitable courtrooms, halls and chambers, adequate accommodation for judicial officers, located at a place convenient to the public and preferably within or near the existing court complex, should be suitably provided by the administration with the approval of the Chief Justice of the High Court. A court should not be established only because it is provided for.
Reporting by Basanta Padal, Boral News.